Now beta, today we will start with joining words. C exercise. We have already done A and B, and today we will start with C exercise. Choose the correct word to complete the sentences. So one by one I will ask this. Fradeen Khan. Fradeen. No beta, don't write C1. We will do in book only. D you will write. We will revise D and D you will write. Okay. Yes, Fradeen. C question number 1.
English language.
Yes beta.
मैं कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में करना है या इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में क्योंकि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज डायरेक्ट रनिंग वर्ड्स.
Tell me, Suzanne likes to read. Two options are there, and or but. Anu likes to read too. And Suzanne likes to read and Anu likes to read too. Suzanne को भी पढ़ना पसंद है और अनु को भी पढ़ना पसंद है. Okay, so and is correct answer. Clear everyone? First answer will be and. Okay, now number 2, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, आप मुझसे भी पूछ लीजिए.
Yes, beta. Wait for your chance, Grima. Mute your microphone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now Ayush, tell me, she asked for hot chocolate and or but she did not get any. Yes. But she did not get any. She asked for what? She asked for hot chocolate, but she did not got any chocolate. Okay. She did not got any chocolate. Next, Agrim. So you will write but in the second one. So you will write but in the second one. Third one is I like to. Yes, Agrim. What? Sanvi, what you have not written? We are doing the C exercise, Sanvi. Okay? Don't get confused, children. Agrim?
Yes, ma'am.
I like... Agrima beta, एक मिनट म्यूट कर लीजिए. Mute your microphone. I like to go on joy rides and or but my sister does not. But my sister does not. I like to go on joy rides, but my sister does not like. Yes, right. You see whether you have written answers in book or not, and if not written, just.
My sister likes to read that and but ऐसे नहीं लिखना है.
Only answers. Suzanne likes to read, and number 1 will be and. Anu likes to read too. Number 2. She asked for. Yes, Manvi? Yes, Manvi? Yes, Pavki? No, beta. In book only we are doing this exercise, okay? So first answer is and, second is but, third is also but, fourth is also but, and fifth is and. 2, 3, 4 you will write but, and first and fifth will be and. 1 and 5 will be and. Now next is Agrim Pratap. Agrim. Yes, beta. Okay, beta. Okay. We are revising it. Yes, Agrim. Okay, beta. Agrim, tell me. Number 4. Tom likes music dash he cannot dance. But he cannot dance. Okay. Then Agrima.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinita got a letter from her granny that her sister got one too.
And
Children, answers are clear to you all. Number 1 is and. Number 2 but.
बताओ. Number 1 is and. 2, 3, 4 is but.
Yes.
5th is
And number 5th is?
and.
Very good, Agrima. Very good. Alizba. Now children, come to D exercise. D1. Rewrite these sentences using and or but. Now here you have to see whether you have to use and or you have to use but. So any one you have to use according to the sentence. Okay?
Ma'am, मेरा फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन हुआ.
हाँ, now we'll start with beta D1.
मैम, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, डी वाले में मेरा ओनली 1 क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स हुए हैं राउंड.
Okay, I'll tell other also. Okay. Any problem you can ask me. Okay. Now children, see first one. My sister likes watching TV. My brother loves playing games.
But
Yes. So यहाँ पे आप देखिए student just pay attention. Though both sentence are varying. Okay. The first sentence is saying my sister likes watching TV and second is saying my brother loves playing games. Means choices are not same. They are not same. So means we will use but. क्योंकि sister को ये पसंद है but brother को ये पसंद है. So here we will use but. So what will be the answer? My Agrima, mute your microphone beta. My sister likes watching TV. You will put a comma. But my brother loves. Simply you will add but. And with full stop जब आप remove करोगे, there you will put a comma. You will put a comma, removing full stop, and then after comma you will write but. But my brother loves playing games. Clear, children? First one. Now everyone do this first one in the register.
मैम, इसको रजिस्टर में करना है.
Yes. Start writing in register number 1. Those who have not completed in book, they can write in book also.
करनी थी रजिस्टर में.
Yes, beta.
हम लोग को सी वाली एक्सरसाइज करनी थी क्या रजिस्टर में?
No, D1. Only D1 you have to do. D you will do in the register.
नहीं मैम, मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Okay, Agrima, do first one. Complete it.
मैम, मेरा भी नहीं हुआ.
Yes, complete it.
मैम, मैं अभी हेडिंग का जॉइनिंग वर्क.
Agrima, be little bit quick. Come to second one. Mr. Gupta has a bicycle. He also has a car. So if in these two sentences you can see we are talking about Mr. Gupta only. Okay. Mr. Gupta के पास bicycle है. He has a bicycle. He also has a car. Means we will use and here. Okay, when we are joining the sentences, if two sentences are talking about only one person.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैं टीवी लिख रही हूँ. मैं टीवी लिख रही हूँ अभी.
Okay, beta, write. Keep on writing. Finish your answer. So here you will use and. So how will you write the answer? Mr. Gupta has a bicycle and a car. like this.
मैम हम लोग
Zenat, written first one.
स्मॉल वर्ड्स में लिखना है या बिग?
Small words only when you begin the sentence. My sister में जो my है my, see in the book, that will be m will be capital, rest everything will be small. Okay. TV बेटा small मत लीजिएगा. TV is written in capital T and capital V, so you will write capital T capital V. Okay. उस सेंटेंस में जैसे लिखा है सेम एज यू हैव टू कॉपी फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस. Zenat done first one.
Ma'am, I doing.
Okay बेटा.
Ma'am, I have done my work, Naman.
Yes Naman, show me your work बेटा. See Naman has done all. Very good Naman.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes Amira, show me your work. See, good, very good. Amira is also done. So number 2 is Mr. Gupta has a bicycle and a car. Yes Ashwat.
Completed second.
Okay beta. You can show me second one.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay beta. First you have done, second also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Agrima.
Ma'am,
Okay, Shashwat. Shashwat has done second also. Agrima, you are doing second one or first one?
Ma'am, I have done first one.
Okay, now do second one, Agrima.
Okay, ma'am, please. Ma'am, please ask, answer. Second answer.
Please tell second answer. Mr. Gupta has a bicycle and a car. Second answer what will be? You will remove other things and Mr. Gupta has a bicycle and a car.
I have done my
Yes, Sarah, show me your work. Second answer is Mr. Gupta has a bicycle and a car. Very good, Sarah. Very good. You have done 4 sentences. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done.
Ma'am, excuse my work.
Yes, Sanvi. Show me your work, beta. Second. Good. You have done. Agrim. Yes, Agrim. Show me your work, beta. Good. You have done second one. Very good. Sashwat. Show me your work.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sashwat. You have done second one. What happened, Sashwat?
कॉमा नहीं लगेगा.
नहीं बेटा. Before but only you will put comma, not in and. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Next is second sentence done, everyone. Zenat, you have done first one.
See. Why see?
Zenat,
मैम मुझको माई वहाँ पे बट लगा
yes. Say one by one, beta. Don't open the microphone together. Say one by one. Yes, Agrima, what happened?
मैम मिस्टर गुप्ता has bicycle के बारे में लिखना है मैम.
Mr. Gupta has a bicycle and a car. And a car.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
beta.
I go to toilet?
Yes, go.
दूसरे सेंटेंस में मैम और बट की कैसे पहचान करेंगे? बट लगेगा कैसे एंड लगेगा?
But कब लगेगा? When the other sentence is saying something else. Okay, when you are saying अदर रीजन है वहां पे. आप यहाँ पे कह रहे हो माई सिस्टर लाइक्स वॉचिंग टीवी, बट इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस यू से माई ब्रदर. दैट इज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग ना. जब दोनों सेंटेंस वेरी करते हैं, when both sentences are varying, then you have to use but. What happened?
मैम आई हैव डन सेकंड आंसर.
Okay.
मैम
Yes, बेटा.
मैम ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये थ्री वाला है. आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स, आई ईट फ्रूट्स टू. मैंने ये लिखा है कि आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स टू. वही होगा?
नहीं बेटा, टू क्यों होगा? देखिए आपने क्या बोला, आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स, और सेकेंड सेंटेंस में आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं फ्रूट्स भी खाती हूँ. और जब आप इसको ज्वाइन करोगे तब आप बोलोगे कि मैं आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. टू की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू. राइट और रॉन्ग?
मैम मैं बताऊं, एक्सक्यूज
आप
मी.
अलग से बताओगे ना, देन यू विल से आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स टू, आई ईट चॉकलेट्स टू, आई ईट बनानास टू. मतलब मैं वो भी खाती हूँ, मैं ये भी खाती हूँ. बट जब आप ज्वाइन करोगे तब आप बोलोगे आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. गॉट इट? सिंपली टू को रिमूव कर दोगे आप. यस. थर्ड वन, आई ईट वेजिटेबल्स, आई ईट फ्रूट्स टू. ओके, मैं वेजिटेबल्स भी खाती हूँ या खाता हूँ, एंड मैं फ्रूट्स भी खाता हूँ. बट वेन यू विल ज्वाइन, you will say I eat vegetables and fruits. Okay? I eat, answer will be I eat vegetables and fruits. But then only you will put comma before but. I walked to school, my friend went in a bus. See, both are not resembling, both sentence are varying. पहला सेंटेंस कह रहा है मैं तो स्कूल गया, I walked to school. By walking he went to school, but his friend went in a bus. And then second sentence is talking something else. It is saying कि जो उसका friend है, he went in a bus. So here you will use but. So answer will be I walked to school, comma, but my friend went in a bus. I walked to school, comma, but my friend went in a bus. Yes, Raja went to the fair. He had fun there. Raja went to the fair. He had fun there. Fair यहाँ पे क्या बेटा, मेला आप कहते हो हिंदी में ना. So that is fair. So what will be the answer? These three sentences are talking about one person only. Okay, they are talking about.
एंड लगेगा.
Yes, we will put and. So Raja went to the fair and had fun there. He को आप remove कर दोगे because आप and वहाँ पे लगाओगे. So Raja went to the fair and had fun there.